Assalamu alaikum friends, join my telegram channel Sheri SK official, and second follow me on Facebook Sheri SK the Sheri SK and follow this page. Okay, here is voucher. These files are CorelDRAW protected and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy no file lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, here is preview, and that's mean simple as jpg file, and here is main official file in CDR. That's mean for CorelDRAW. Total file is 1120, sorry, 55 in CorelDRAW. All files are editable, and here is preview. First you check it. Import your own design, write any your main heading, and here is title. Here is flare templates. Okay, wow, product voucher. So import your product and put your price. Same thing here, 25% off August Christmas sale. Infographic, you can put 3 image. Here is basic plan, power pro and business. Okay, back to CDR file. Click any one, for example open this one. You can ungroup here or press R. Click here for ungroup. Okay, move anything and change color like this. Okay, that's mean these are editable file. Wow, here is location, texting, and here is website, and here is find. Okay, and here is wow. First you need unlock layer. Press Ctrl U or right click and ungroup all. Mega summer sale, 20% off. Big sale, flare design. Just put your one photo. Wow. Okay, join my telegram channel. I will provide first link of any video, and second option is Facebook. Right here SK and follow me on my Facebook page. Take care, love, peace.